So, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
What is PLSQL? PLSQL is a procedural language plus structured language also. Procedural structured query language. Procedural language with structured query language. So, what is the difference between SQL and PLSQL? SQL, at a time, only we can trigger one statement. You know that one insert statement, one update statement, one select statement, or delete, whatever it may be, step by step, one by one, we can do, right? If PLSQL, then what we will do? We will do multiple, means collection of statements together in PLSQL block. Means more than one statement we can execute through PLSQL. Means multiple insert statement, multiple update statements, multiple delete statements, even DDLs. Along with that one, we have a multiple options. We will discuss carousels, exceptions. Okay, all together we can do in the PLSQL. So that is called first point. It will deal. So supposed to execute a block of multiple statements as a unit. Okay, and also so, and also it will support variables. You know variables, what is variable? If you don't know, we'll discuss later. Okay, variables and constants. And also it will support the error handling. Error handling means that is handling the exceptions. Handling the exceptions. That is also we will do in the PLSQL. Okay. And also, yeah, actually it is part of supports variables only, but still, yeah, we can say supports to define composite data types. Composite data types means in SQL we saw mostly single data type, either number, character, date, whatever it may be, some blah blah. But in the composite data types, more than one variable, more than one data type we can see. More than one data type, collection of data types also we can see, we can use in the composite data types. Okay, that is we will see how we will declare, we'll see better after that. And also it will support, yeah, in first statement itself, we specified like a collection of statements, means it will support DDLs, DDMLs, TCF commands at a time. Okay, along with this one, for example, if you want to perform a DDL in PLSQL block, directly we cannot do DDLs. Insert update the DMLs we can perform, TCLs we can perform, even TCLs also we have a separate conditions. But DDLs, if you want to perform, so that is called dynamic SQL. We have to do dynamic inlay. So for that one, we have to use execute immediate. So simply, if you are writing a create table or a truncate table or drop table, it not works. Okay, along with execute immediate only, it will work in the PLSQL block. So these all together we can perform in one PLSQL block.
Speaking to someone else. You can wait or call and
then, okay, PLSQL blocks. If we are talking about the PLSQL block, there are two types of blocks. There are two types of blocks. Okay, both will perform set of SQLs and PLSQL statements. Both will perform, but one is called unnamed block or anonymous block. Second one is a named block. Okay. Name itself it contains. Okay, unnamed block means without name, no name. So that's why we are calling that is an anonymous block. Anonymous block, it is a anonymous. It is you cannot reuse that block. One time only we can use it. Okay, one time we can use it, and once it will export, it will close. That's it, anonymous block. Every time if you want to perform, every time it will compile and execute. It will close. Okay. But we cannot perform multiple execution. Okay. Reusable not possible for the anonymous block. Okay. Next one is named block. Named block itself, it is a meaningful information that is called a named block. Named block means each PLSQL block, it's have their own name. Okay. And it will create a permanent object in the database, and it will create as an object stored in the database. And most useful thing is reusable. We can use it multiple times. How many times you want to use it, those many times you can use it. Whenever you want, you can use it. How many times you want to use it, you can use it, execute it. That is the beauty of the named block. Okay, so mostly if anything is one time only we are using, then we will go the anonymous block. We never use that block, then only we will go with the anonymous block. If you want to use multiple times, then we will go with the named block, and we can reuse it whenever you want. Multiple times you can use it. Okay, anonymous block, there is no name, but named block, we have a name and we have a different objects in the named block. Named blocks, we have a like procedures, functions, triggers. Have you heard about those things? Functions already we saw, but that is built-in functions. So, means Oracle supplied functions. Oracle built-in functions, we saw. Same kind of functions, even we can create. That is called user-defined functions. User-defined functions are stored functions, stored procedures, like the packages, package functions, package procedures. We can create it. So coming to block structure, anonymous or named block, anything. Common things we have to use variable declaration. So variable declaration is a common, like what are the variables we are using in the SQL, same kind of data types we can use in the variable declaration, all the variables. Same way, PLSQL block supports the Boolean data types. Boolean means, see, whenever you are using the Boolean word, this is Boolean means true or false data type. Data type true or false means if it is a true, then it will give the true value, otherwise false. That's it. It's not contains any other information. Either it will return true or false. false. That's it. Yeah. Along with that one, you need like see anything like equal. See conditions it will work if you want to assign anything like see for date. This is the variable. This variable if you want to assign some values like a sys date or somewhere flag value equal to 2. Then what you have to give? We have to give like a column equal. Both we have to concatenate column equal. That is we are calling as a assign operator. This one we are calling as a assign operator is required to assign values to the variables. So these things we have to remember. Okay. Now we will see what we know. First we will test it. After that we will see other data types. Okay. And most important thing is this one, DBMS output put line. DBMS output put line is the DBMS output dot put underscore line is the, it will use like a in PLSQL, it is a print statement. Okay, print statement. Okay, and also we are using this one as a for debugging purpose. The debugging, how to do the debugging, we will learn later, not now. But right now, you have to use this one as a print statement. We have to use as a print statement dbms output dot put underscore line. What is this dbms output dot after what is put line? I will let you know later, not now. As of now, blindly you can remember this is one of the named block. Okay, dbms output put underscore line. Okay, if I am saying that one also, you will confuse. Okay, as of now, just remember this statement dbms output at put underscore line. If you want to enable this one, you before starting the PLSQL block, we have to set server output on. Then only it will be enabled. Otherwise, it will be disabled. We cannot see the print statement. So, go to, yeah, share your screen quickly. Are you sharing? You are on mute. Which screen are you able to see? My screen or Raghu's screen?
Your screen we are able to see, sir.
Raghu, Are you able to share the screen or not? I'm not able to hear your voice also. Okay. Go to Notepad. Okay, simply, right. Then declare. Okay. This is the anonymous block. We'll start with the declare. Enter v underscore number. Okay, here in the declaration part, we will define the variables. Okay, v number space number. Right, data type as a number. Okay, SN, not semicolon, column, equal to assignment operator equal to 10. Okay, 10. Write it. 10. Enter. Begin. Enter. DBMS output. Output dot put underscore line equal put underscore line. Yeah, in brackets, keep p underscore number. Semicolon. Enter. And enter. Slash. Okay. Set server output on. So it's not enabled at set server output on. So it was not printed. So now, yeah, up arrow. Till declare. Enter. Down arrow. Enter. Yeah, down arrow. Down arrow. Just begin. Go up arrow. Yeah, enter. Down arrow. Enter. Down arrow. And slash. See? Now you are able to see that earlier you are not able to see print value. V number, what is the value it contains?
One and a book.
Yes, for V number 10, right? The 10 is displayed here. Okay. For more, see, we are not able to understand. what is that. So you can give the description also there. Okay, again, copy, up arrow, declare. Yeah, enter, down arrow. Down arrow, enter. Again, down arrow. Enter. Down arrow. Yeah, here write in single quotation number as a no before V number.
దానికి రావట్లే,
Number
దానికి రావట్లేదండి.
yes, నోట్లో పెట్టమ్మా. Number is